Hey guys, Dr. Chick here from Broken Hearts Bassinets. I decided to get crazy and buy a NICU incubator. It's actually more a thing of keeping the dust and dirt off of the silicone while I paint it. The other thing that's really nice about it is that it is able to be heated to a constant like 100 degrees. That helps the silicone set much faster. Also, I mean, there is the sidebar of really cool setup for visualizing realism with things like the quote unquote surgeries. In other words, putting in the drinking wets, fixing up, different boo boos on these babies, the armatures, that sort of thing. So I made a small video. It just goes through some stuff here, shows you kind of like the basic operation and the rest of the incubator. I hope you enjoy.